behind this tungsten. Finish welding the rear.
Okay, and then I'll get all this front torn apart first.
Okay.
And then we'll start on the notch, I guess, if you want to.
Okay. Let me move this other camera over here.
Because this isn't going to take long to tear apart.
Wes last night said that he's interested in the front end parts.
On this truck?
Yes.
Okay. He got a truck like this?
He's got a 90 step sub.
Okay, I mean, all these tie rods and everything were new when I got the truck.
He said something about he might do some trading.
What's he got to trade?
I have no fucking
I mean, with him, there's no telling what he has to trade.
clue. I mean, that's literally exactly where I'm at with him.
There's no telling what he has. He might have some cool shit.
I mean, that's 100% true with Wes. Is with him, you never know.
So I'm just going to break the brake line loose because we don't need the brake line. Or we just need the brake line. We don't need anything else. And this brake line might not even work for us.
It might not.
The block may not work on that caliper. What? Didn't know want to pop.
Underestimate how much of a bitch it is to weld when the truck's moving. And I know you're working, so I'm not bitching about you working. to be removing a lot of weight, aren't we?
So that right there is heavier than that box.
The whole box of
The whole box of stuff. That is heavier.
Yep.
So we're gonna knock off a lot of weight.
Down to the front of the frame.
Do we want to try to do some skids? Just in case. Depends on where the oil pan's at.
Depends on where the oil pan's at. Which I gotta finish getting the motor together at some point. I figure we'll do cage, and then like one night when you're working on the Dodge, I'll put the motor together.
Okay.
So I keep calling it a Dodge, but it's a Ram.
It's a Dodge. It's still a Dodge. Dodge is Dodge, no matter what. It's still a fucking piece of shit. We got bare frame.
Alright, so we are ready for the 417 Motorsports arms to come in.
Yep.
And once we get those on,
And the DC Fab coilover tower.
alright, so then we can measure for steering arms and rack.
Yep.
While it's like this, probably need to go ahead and weld a piece of metal across the front so we can cut the center out.
Yep.
Cool.
Perfect.